how to export code from Webflow. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So just open up your Webflow account and after that wait for it to load. Then open up the designer for the website that you are currently looking to export the code for. Just open this up. It should not take a while. It will be just a one click. And after opening up that particular project, you will be able to find this particular option at the top. It says export code. Just simply click on it, but also make sure that you have the paid version of Webflow. Otherwise, on free version, you won't be able to do that. So just click on export code and wait for it to load the code. After that, you will be able to see this particular code. Now you need to upgrade your workspace in order to export this particular site. And in case if you have upgraded your plan, you should be able to see the zip file over here instead of upgrade plan. Just simply click on it and download it. And you can utilize this particular zip file on any other platform where you want to migrate from Webflow. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.